Hello and welcome back to my trading journey. Martin's here, and I was probably not sitting in front of the chart for the last week. I feel a little bit not in 100% shape, so I'm sorry for that. But anyway, I definitely decided I really have to get back to the charts and see what I can see. As you remember last time. So the live account was blown up, and we're back to the demo account where we're trying to get some maybe fresh ideas. Sorry. And basically, I decided to definitely come back and try to focus on multiple time frames to find exact entry for my trades to get an overview of what's the market currently doing. So I'm starting with the daily time frame, and then we go to lower time frames just to find some sort of confirmation that we should enter a trade. I will be watching also for support resistance levels and trend lines, as well as candlestick patterns. And yeah, we'll see if we can find something that would actually work for me personally. Because so far all the strategies I've heard and saw were pretty cool, right? But for some reason I never was able to master any of those, and yeah, I don't know why, but it was not really anything for me. So therefore, I'm still trying to find myself in this world of trading, but not going to talk much about this stuff. Basically, I want to go and dive into searching for maybe potential trades, or to see maybe historically if we can find any repeated patterns that we can use for the trading. So right now I'm on the Euro USD, looking on the daily time frame. We were in the range for some time. Currently, we're on the bottom of this range, and well, of course, there might be only two outcomes. Either the price will now break through this level of range, and will then continue down to probably just the lows here, or we can use it as a support and starts to raise back to the upside. So if we will have a closer look, well, actually, we saw that the price was ranging more in the upper part of this range, and then it was like a double top, and then to go straight down to the bottom of this range. So if we just zoom in, what I noticed is, sorry, this one, that basically are forming something like a head and shoulders pattern. So it might not be as obvious on the daily, but if we go to the 4-hour chart, then it's more visible. Like here's the support level, which becomes then resistance, and now we also just hit the same spot, which then retraces to the back to the downside. And now there is also a pretty significant rejection, which we'll see once this one closed. Um, but in my eyes, it looks like there might be a head and shoulders pattern formed over here. So if we just have a look, then we might definitely get a head and shoulders pattern. So what I could do is, well, we can just wait until the confirmation. Well, if the price will definitely come back to this previous uh, resistance level, and if we can then break through. or we can actually go to a lower time frame again, because as mentioned, I'm looking for a smaller account size. Therefore, I'm not really able to place huge trades, like just open at the break from the resistance, from this neckline, and just put the stops below the lows here, because that would be a way too a big risk for a small account. I'm not really having any account at the moment. It doesn't really matter, because if I would not definitely be able to place such order. So I need to really think about the same scenario, like I would have exactly just a small amount of money to invest and to trade with. Therefore, I need to go even lower to a small time frame. So what I can expect is probably uh, to see this head and shoulders pattern be formed, and therefore, if I would go to lower time frame, I can start looking for another patterns for buy options over here. Um, so let's delete this one, and then we can go to a lower time frame. So now we're currently on a 1 hour time frame. See a really nice, what? Basically, I could actually open a position right away here. This would be a great one, and I think if we put stop loss below here, okay, no, actually I put way too big lot size. Sorry. Let me quickly then uh, deal with this one. Okay, so we're on a zero point zero 0.01 lot size. So yeah, basically this would be okay. We would risk only like €3, which is great. Okay, so basically, gosh, okay, let me get back to this one, right? Okay. Uh, I probably won't use stop loss. If we think about this, we would have to go all the way here. So if I would risk a €10 account, which probably would be even higher anyway, so I can keep it running until it reaches the lows here. If it will break down, then it doesn't really matter, because it will, just continue going down. So I probably am not going to use a stop loss. Instead, I would use my notification to remind me to notify me when the price will get to these lows, or maybe even just to get lower below these last lows, just to decide if I want to still stay in this trade. So I will be buying this one with the targets probably somewhere up here. And if I will see any consolidation or retracement, then I will just leave out the trade. If no, if I will see that it looks like it wants to push higher, I will leave this trade to continue in the upper direction. So um, yeah, well, it might be very risky because of this. Hmm, I didn't have any special confirmation, but if we decide, okay, well, let's keep this stop loss below here, take profits somewhere around here. So it's like 2 to 1 risk reward ratio. So let's see how this will play out. And yeah, this will take some time, definitely. So, but anyway, in the meanwhile, while this will run, I will definitely still go to a lower time frame just to see what else I could found uh, in this trade. Maybe there will be some better options for us, which I actually at this moment didn't really recognize. But hey, never mind. It's okay. it's still a potential that it might work out because it definitely looks like it might go up, like Head and Shoulders. We're at the support level of this entire range, so there might be some sort of pullback, at least maybe to these levels here, which would be also great, right? Um, so that might be another level to check once we will get here. And well, yeah, we'll definitely see. We'll definitely see. In the super scenario, we should wait for some sort of breakout of this downtrend currently. So if we go to the 50, so if we go to this 50-minute charts, what will we see? So there is a downtrend, and basically there was some sort of a breakout. So, and like price trying to push lower, but it was rejected, and yeah, some strong momentum in the upside, engulfing candlesticks as well. Right, so yeah, basically it doesn't really look that bad. At the exact place where we just hit this start. Oops, what did I uh, place? So yeah, I know we were actually on this lower time frame. We're at support level, which might become a resistance, but it doesn't matter really. We were just trying to find out what we can find and if this will definitely work. So basically, that's my point of view on this trade, on this pair, that we might go higher because it was like almost a breakout, then comes back into the range, and now might might be holding up this range and still go back to the upside. We will see. On the other hand, as mentioned, the range is, well, the price is ranging for some times already, so it might be a false signal, and in the end, it might just roll over and just continue going lower. We will definitely have a look how this will end up. So we're on a Euro USD 15-minute chart, and I wonder if this will actually work or not. And what else? I've noticed the similar scenario on USD JAV. So the Swiss is almost the same concept, except that there is not the same. Well, there is also a range, but we were breaking out of this range and now heading back, maybe just to retest these previous lows. And now we might actually get lower for another move as another move. So we are doing a downtrend. We are in the zone of previous support and resistance. So if we check this one, it's actually a good point of like a good confirmation for a sell position. There might also be a head and shoulders pattern as well. So basically, just waiting for any confirmation we should sell. I don't know. I was thinking more that the price could go higher, just to retest the same levels as the left shoulder. And but if I see closer, there is quite strong candlestick, but it was a bit pulled back. So I think we might still go a bit higher. So I'm not going to enter the trade yet. I'll probably still wait until it goes bit higher on this one. Although I see this like pullback almost to the previous levels, but yeah, I would be rather to see it maybe somewhere around here. That would definitely means for me that we are in different trend, because I see that like one, two, three times the price hit this spot. So this is something I would like to pay attention. But it might also happen that if we will get to these levels, I might look to buy and wait to hit these highs here, because I definitely have this feeling that it might go really, really even higher than it is currently. So yeah, we'll I will just keep this one watching. I'm not going to place an order, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so that's everything for now, and see you in the next time.